Welcome back to StoryTone English. This is day 19 of your daily English speaking practice series. By now, you've learned to describe your routines, habits, ask for help, give advice, and even talk about your future plans. Today, we take a step backward, to the past. Learning to talk about your past experiences is very important for storytelling, interviews, and natural conversation. So, relax, grab your notebook, and let's explore the past together, in English. Last summer, Rina went on a small trip with her family to a nearby hill station. The journey started early in the morning. She remembered it was a beautiful sunny day and the air smelled fresh. They drove for hours, listening to English songs and chatting about school, friends, and future dreams. Rina felt excited because it was her first trip without any worries about homework or exams. When they reached the hill station, the view was breathtaking. "Wow, I have never seen anything like this," Rina said. Her younger brother jumped with joy and said, "This is amazing." They hiked up a small hill, took photos, and laughed together. Rina remembered every detail: the cool breeze, the chirping birds, and even the sweet smell of local fruits. She thought to herself, "I want to remember this moment forever." That evening, sitting by the campfire, Rina said, "I've never had such a wonderful day before. I will always remember it." Now, let's practice some simple and natural ways to talk about your past experiences. Repeat after me. I went to a hill station last summer. I visited my grandparents last weekend. I tried a new English book yesterday. I watched a movie with my friends last night. I learned something new in class yesterday. I traveled to another city last year. I helped my friend with a problem yesterday. Notice how we often use last plus time or past tense verbs. This makes your story clear and easy to understand. Mini dialogue practice. Real conversation. A. Did you go anywhere last weekend? B. Yes, I went to the mountains with my family. A. That sounds fun. What did you do there? B. We hiked, took photos, and enjoyed local food. A. Did you learn something new? B. Yes, I learned how to cook a local dish. Now repeat this dialogue and try replacing the activities with your own experiences. For example, a school trip, visiting a friend, or learning something new. Sharing your past experiences is more than just telling a story. It helps you connect with others, practice English, and express emotions naturally. Rina realized that speaking about the past made her sentences longer, richer, and more interesting. She also remembered new vocabulary she had learned from her English lessons. Later, Rina wrote in her journal, "Today I recalled a special memory and described it in English. Talking about the past is fun and helps me speak fluently every day." Let's practice some useful past tense verbs. Repeat after me. Went, saw, did, had, learned, met, played, visited, traveled, enjoyed. Now let's use them in sentences. I went to the park yesterday. I saw a beautiful sunset last week. I learned a new English word today. I visited my friend last weekend. I enjoyed reading a story yesterday. Use these sentences to practice your fluency and storytelling skills. Remember, every day is a new memory. When you talk about your past experiences, you practice English naturally and recall events you care about. Rina realized that her English improved not only when she read books or listened to lessons, but also when she shared her own experiences aloud. So don't hesitate. Start telling your stories, even if they're short. Your fluency grows with each sentence you speak. Your challenge for today. Think of a special memory from last week, last month, or last year. Write 5 sentences about it in English. Read them out loud 3 times using past tense verbs correctly. Example, I went to a park last weekend. I saw many birds and flowers. I played football with my brother. I ate ice cream and felt happy. I returned home in the evening. Small practice every day builds fluent storytelling skills. You did a fantastic job today. Now you know how to talk about your past experiences in English, perfect for storytelling, casual conversation, or interviews. If you liked this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to StoryTone English. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a daily lesson. Tomorrow, in Day 20, we'll learn how to describe people, places, and objects in English, a fun topic to make your English more descriptive and natural. Keep speaking, keep reflecting, keep growing. See you tomorrow here on StoryTone English.